minimal products, because to be honest, more than 3 products, I can't do on a daily regimen. It's just, I'm just not that girl. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is my casual, everyday wear Mohawk. Yes, if you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share, comment down below, and yeah, we'll have an awesome time. So, okay, so I wear a Mohawk. Hello, hi. I don't always put it up. Typically, I reserve that for shows I'm playing, photo shoots, videos, concerts I'm like super stoked about. The Mohawk goes up. But for daily wear, I don't like to use a lot of stronghold products because they do tend to contain a lot of alcohol. So things like hairsprays and gels, which can dry out the hair and strip a little color, and I would much rather style less so I can color less. So today's look is just my quick, easy, kick around, I'm just gonna go hang out with friends or something look. So what are we going to need? We need our tried and true trusty blow dryer. I'm gonna need some round brushes. I use 2 different sizes when I blow my Mohawk out. Large one just to get the surface area done quick. And a smaller, this is a 1-inch barrel for my bang area, and then 2, well, you'll see. Next, we're gonna need products. So, I'm gonna use 3 products today. Even though I'm not wearing my Mohawk curly, I'm still gonna use a cleansing product to treat my curls. So this is my Alfaparf Milano Semi de Lino Wave and Curl Co-Wash. I'm not gonna do a shampoo and condition today. I'm gonna do a co-wash because I shampooed my hair, I don't know, not too long ago. Next up, I need a leave-in product. So I'm gonna use my Marc Anthony Long Grow Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner with caffeine and ginseng. I've been using this for a little bit. I'm seeing a lot of growth. My curls are looking pretty good back here. So I feel like this product is actually doing me some good. And I've been using this on a lot of my clients. So really digging the way my blowouts have been looking with this leave-in product. So we're gonna use that. And then I'm gonna finish with my absolute favorite, the Sela Essential Balm oil. Okay, I like to use this as a finishing product. It gives me, because it's a heavier oil balm, it gives me a little bit of hold, it gives me just a little bit of texture, it smooths everything down, it smells amazing, and then whatever's left on my hands I can just rub into my dry bits because I can just use it everywhere. Great product. So, steps. Let's do the steps. First, we're gonna cleanse with our cold wash, so let's get to that and be right back. Okay, cleansed with my Alfaparf Milano Wave and Curl Hydrating Co-Wash and my cute little microfiber towel. This, guys, this has probably been one of my favorite Ipsy products, is this microfiber towel. The little twist button, cute, love it. Okay, so I'm towel dried a little bit. If my hair was like sopping wet right now, like I didn't sit and towel dry it with the microfiber for a few minutes, I would rough dry the hair a little bit. Meaning just, you know, you go in, you just kind of do the roots and just pull the extra moisture out. But because I towel dried a little bit, I don't want to over dry my hair on my blowout. So I'm gonna explain why. water molecules in the hair are very big. So you just want to pull some of them out so that our leave-in has somewhere to go in the hair. You know what I mean? If it's too wet, that product's just gonna boop right off the hair. You know what I mean? So, because I towel dried, I'm going curly to straight. I wanna go with minimal frizz. So I'm gonna use a lot of tension and go from a damper hair right into my blow dry. Cool. So let's hit it with the Marc Anthony Grow Long Leave-In. And this you can take right up to the scalp. It's a very deeply nourishing product without being too heavy and doesn't create a lot of scalp buildup. Not from my experience. If you have had a different experience with this product building up on the scalp, or you know, just any great experience with it, please comment down below. Tell me all about it, because right now I'm kind of loving this. And this is a product that's available in most drugstore chains. So I'm feeling this. This is a good item. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna kind of work that through my hair. Make sure I'm totally saturating root to end. Make sure I get that leave-in all over. Cool, awesome. So, right now I've been wearing my Mohawk in kind of a faux mullet, and I can't believe I'm saying those words. I'm wearing a faux mullet. Just while I'm growing it out right now, I do have some awkward lengths, particularly right here in the top of my Mohawk, and I'm just trying to grow my hair out. So that's how I'm gonna wear it today. I'm kind of going in 3 directions with this whole blowout. We go forward from the crown to the front, to the fringe with everything. And then crown to nape, I'm going back with my blowout. And then I'm gonna take everything and just go in at the roots so that everything's still in that Mohawk centric shape, but we're gonna divide it backwards and forwards. So I'm gonna start down here in my nape because this is where I have the most hair. And I just wanna get that nice and flat back there. A little bit of volume, but the hair itself, I want it very smooth. So I'm gonna section that out. Just the nape area. Pin that away. Then I'm gonna grab my big brush. And I'm gonna take my blow dryer to my high heat, my high air. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that brush under, get a good tension, and hit the hair and get it nice and smooth. It's a nice good start. I like that little flip at the end. Now I'm gonna do this area. You know what? I'm gonna go on in with my smaller brush, my 1-inch. Bringing the brush in and I'm locking it with tension, hitting the air. Okay, so I got a nice start on the back here. We're pretty smooth. We still have a little bit of volume going on, which I like. And I like this little bounce at the bottom. Cute. So, let's do the front. I'm gonna start with my bangs before they get too dry. Okay, just the bang area. So I'm gonna take my smaller brush. I'm gonna wrap it under. I'm gonna blow her straight. A little bit of tension. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go in. We're gonna go in. This whole front section. Once that's smooth, we can move on to the top. Same thing, we're gonna go forward with everything and then in. Great. So now I'm just gonna go around the perimeter with my Mohawk with a smaller brush. And what I'm doing is going to take the brush into the hair, roll it with the tension, and I'm gonna get these straight lines to heat. Let's do it. Okay, all right. Little crazy with my lengths right now. That's okay. Okay, I'm digging it. So, last step is our Sela Essential Balm. Absolutely love this stuff. Miracle Multi-Use Oil. Elderberry, evening primrose, juniper berry, rosemary, lavender, blueberry. This stuff that is way too much. That's okay. This is too much for my hair. I need like that much. We don't waste product. So I'm just gonna use what's on my fingertips, and I'm gonna start at my crown. And I'm just kind of grabbing the hair, just kind of touching it because this is such a heavy oil. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Touch it, touch it, touch it. All that excess oil right onto the tattoos. Keep those colors moisturized. All right, now I got that residual oil on my fingers. This is when I'm going to really pull it through the ends. Seal that hair down. Give it a little tension. And then you just kind of put it where you want it. Look like a mad woman. But now I can just back, forward, my hair is touchable, and I can just wear this for till it gets humid or wet again. Oh, this is great. Because I can also put a hat on and off. Wait a minute, I'll go find a hat. See, there we go. I can take the hat on and off. Just kind of touch it, play with it. Live my whole life. Great. So thank you guys for joining me today while we did my casual daily wear Mohawk. Minimal products, because to be honest, more than 3 products, I can't do on a daily regimen. I'm just not that girl. So boom, 3 products, easy styling, hat on and off. I'm gonna touch this like all day now and it'll be fine because of the heavy oil. It's not gonna like get crazy frizzy on me, so wonderful. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share this video or my other videos here on Give Your Hair a Kiss. Share them around with all your friends, you know? If you've tried any of these products or if there's a product that you like to style your hair with for everyday use, go ahead, comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check me out on giveyourhairakiss.com while you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area. Swing on by, come see me, book an appointment for here at the kissing booth with me, kiss. We'll have an amazing time. But until next week, guys, give your hair a kiss.